Let's talk about a super cool computer tool that's kind of like a magic notebook.
You know when you make a list and it just gets super messy and hard to read?
With paper, changing things is a real pain, but on a computer, it's so easy.
So there's got to be a smarter, cleaner way to get organized, right?
Yep, there is. It's called Spreadsheet software. Basically, it's like a really smart digital notebook.
And this is what one looks like, a big grid where all your info can live nice and neat.
Okay, so what are its superpowers? Let's check out what this thing can actually do.
It can organize all your info, do math for you, and even make cool charts from your data.
First up, organization. Everything gets its own neat little spot. No more messy lists.
Oh, and the best part? It's basically a math genius. It does all the hard work for you.
You just type in a simple command, and boom, it does all the math for you automatically.
And it can turn all those boring numbers into colorful charts that are super easy to read.
Okay, let's say we asked your class about their favorite foods and made this list.
Now, check this out. The spreadsheet can turn that simple list into a cool chart, just like this.
I bet you've actually seen some of these programs before. Yep, Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets are probably the most famous ones out there.
But there are other great options too, like OpenOffice and LibreOffice.
So now that you know, what would you organize? Maybe your game scores or a book list?